What's up, everybody? It's Legal Tender. I'm back in the building. I'm back in the vote. I pulled out a new item to make a new video. As always, I want to start off by thanking everybody for supporting the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the love and thank you for the support. If you are a fan of numismatics, if you're a fan of paper currency, if you are just getting into the hobby of numismatics, stay rocking with me, stay rocking with the channel. Every Tuesday is Legal Tender Tuesday, and I will be making a new episode every week speaking about something new, different, or interesting within the realm of numismatics. If you have any questions, comments, or input, please put it down in the comment section. I read everything and I respond back as soon as possible. Throughout this episode, if I say something that isn't 100% accurate, also a little different from what you know, excuse me, please let me know via the comments. I will go back, hit the books, make sure that I have the right information moving forward. All right, with that being said, we are leaning on 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We almost done. Keep pushing. All right, let's get it. All right, so like I said, I will speak about anything new, different, or interesting within the realm of numismatics. And numismatics is anything consisting of coins, metals, or paper currency. And today we have this right here. Speaking about this coin, it is a commemorative. It is a commemorative coin that I got when me and the family took a holiday to the Hoover Dam. Now, what is a commemorative coin? A commemorative coin is a coin issued to celebrate or honor a specific event, person, place, or institution, often with a unique design related to the occasion. While they are typically legal tender, they are not primarily intended for general circulation. Instead, they are often produced in limited quantities and collected by numismatists and enthusiasts. And we went to the Hoover Dam one day to check it out. It was on the bucket list, and just being able to go and see firsthand one of the 7 modern day wonders of the world, an event, a structure that was built on human ingenuity. So that's super dope right there. And I'm very, very glad and fortunate that I had the opportunity to not only visit, but to take my family there to visit it as well. Now, it is located in the United States, and this coin right here is a souvenir medallion. I'll get down to the specs in a second because I got it all written down, all typed up. Now, this was minted in year 2007. The composition is copper. I was thinking that because of the color of it. This is of the intake series. Let's see if I could get, so you can see the series here. It is upside down. There we go. 1931 to 1935. That was the year it was constructed. Hoover Dam, as we see right there. And I would say this is the obverse. The reverse is the intake. And it reads, let's see. Department of the Interior, Bureau of Reclamation, Intake Tower, 2007. There we go. Zoom in a bit if I can. I was given guidance on like a better magnifying glass. I'm gonna have to look into that. There we go. Department of the Interior, Bureau of Reclamation, Intake Tower 2007. The dimensions are 39 millimeters. Thickness is 3.175 millimeters. It has a weight of 27.5 grams and it is of a round shape. Now, speaking about the Hoover Dam, the Hoover Dam is a concrete arch gravity dam in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River on the border between, see, I'm gonna say those are the intake towers right there, and right there. Now the Hoover Dam is on the border of Nevada in Arizona, constructed between the years of 1931 and 1936 during the Great Depression. It was dedicated on September 30th, 1935 by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Its construction was the result of a massive effort involving thousands of workers and cost over 100 lives. Bills passed by Congress during its construction referred to it as Hoover Dam after President Herbert Hoover, but the Roosevelt administration named it Boulder Dam. In 1947, Congress restored the name Hoover Dam. Now, since about 1900, the Black Canyon and nearby Boulder Canyon had been investigated for their potential to support a dam that would control floods, provide water irrigation, and produce hydroelectric energy. In 1928, Congress authorized the project. The winning bid to build the dam was submitted by a consortium named Six Companies, Inc., which began construction in early 1931. Now, such a large concrete structure had never been built before, and some of the techniques used were unproven. Deterred summer weather and lack of facilities near the site also presented difficulties. Nevertheless, Six Companies turned the dam over to the federal government on March 1st, 1936, more than 2 years ahead of schedule. That's awesome. Now, the Hoover Dam impounds Lake Mead and is located near Boulder City, Nevada, a municipality originally constructed for workers on the construction of the project, about 30 miles southeast of Las Vegas, Nevada. The dam's generators provide power for public and private utilities in Nevada, Arizona, and California. Hoover Dam is a major tourist attraction, trust me, I know, with 7 million tourists a year. The heavily traveled US Route 93 ran along the dam's crest until October 2010 when the Hoover Dam bypass was opened. So, like I say, I will speak about anything new, different, or interesting regarding numismatics, and commemorative coins are a part of numismatics. They are collectible, and just to be able to have an item purchased from the location is super awesome. I think that's cool, and that is why it is in the collection right now. I'm really trying to redeem myself and get a better magnification of the details of this coin, but I'm having a time with there we go. We got it a little bit with the dynamics of it. Nice, beautiful color. It got a little luster to it. It is still in its original purchase case. And with this being, I'm gonna just say mintage year 2007. I cannot remember the year that we visited the location, but that sounds about right. It was a while since we went there last. Intake Tower 2007 by the Department of the Interior. Bureau of Reclamation. I don't know, man. I may have to fall back on this right here or just get a better magnifying glass as a whole. Now, like I said, it is located, the actual location of the Hoover Dam is Clark County, Nevada, and Mojave County, Arizona, in the United States. The purpose of the structure is to power, flood control, water storage, and regulation. It is operational, and construction began in 1931, 41 years ago, and it opened on 1936, 86 years ago. Construction of the Hoover Dam cost back then $49 million. That was the budget in 1931. As of 2003, it would cost around about $790 million. It is operated by the U.S. Bureau of Reclamation. And the Bureau of Reclamation, formerly known as the United States Reclamation Service, is a federal agency under the U.S. Department of the Interior, which oversees water resource management, specifically as it applies to the oversight and operations of the diversions, delivery, and storage projects that has been built throughout the western United States for irrigation, water supply, and attendant hydroelectric power generation. It is currently the U.S.'s largest wholesaler of water, bringing water to more than 31 million people and providing 1 in 5 Western farms with irrigation, water to 10 million acres of farmland, which produce 60% of the nation's vegetations and fruits and nuts. The Bureau is also the second largest producer of hydroelectric power in the Western U.S. So that there is your fun facts about the Bureau of Reclamations, if you never heard of it. I have some more commemorative coins, and I will probably be speaking about those too at some point. But yeah, man, anything new, different, or interesting regarding numismatics. So that's what we got. And I like it. So let me see if I can do a better job with this magnification. It's on this part right here. I'm gonna try it one more time. Okay. All right, I don't feel so bad. I redeemed myself. There we go. All right. All right. If you have any commemorative coins, put it down in the comments, yes or no. How many coins you have, and what is your most favorite commemorative coin? I am interested, and I would like to know. All right, that's what we got. Hoover Dam. All right, that's all we got for this one. Until next time, keep it legal, keep it tender. Talk to you soon.